We're both feeling guilty and scared that we might be fighting still. You go, then you run back, cry on my shoulder, wonder out loud if it's worth starting over. All I see is just another chance to love you. And all I need.
Sitting by your side, sunlight gliding in the night, watching how the tide comes in. Dreaming of a boat setting sail all alone, heading for a paradise. Found my better me in the small things you see, discovering a home again. When the day fades away and there's nothing left to say, I read your thoughts out loud. In the golden hour, we're breaking like waves in the sea, and all the lies that drown in golden hours, and all our dreams feel so real. Good time, come over here. Good time, come over here. Looking back to the past where we counted 1,000 stars. Remember when they seemed so close. Promise to hold on if the waves getting strong, but we changed our course with the wind. Found my better me in the small things you see, discovering a home again. When the day fades away and there's nothing.
Guys, kakain na kami. So, yung aking niluto guys ay napaka-soft po siya. At saka napaka-tender yung ating meats. So, kung makikita nyo, ito na yung ating niluto ngayon. So, magla-lunch na kami ngayon guys kasi lunch na namin ngayon. At gutom na kasi kagagaling ko lang nag-workout ako kanina guys. So, siyempre, pag nakatapos mag-workout, 2 hours tayong nag-workouts, kaya nagutom. So, ito lang yung kakainin namin ngayon, guys. Without rice po ito, guys, kasi meron na siyang beans, yung white beans at saka carrots. So, hindi kami kumakain ng rice. So, ito lang talaga yung yung magiging lunch namin ngayon. So, titikman ko, guys, ang aking niluto. Masarap guys. Perfect na perfect. Pwede po ito sa pang-okasyon ninyo. At kung ano, ang nagpapasarap po dito guys, yung ating white beans at saka itong carrots. Kasi ako guys, mahilig kasi ako sa gulay. So, ayan. So, kakain na kami. Diba nga? Ayan, cheers!
Manu.
Sibong?